Going to discuss about your health and physical education book, how you have to prepare for your exam, and actually from this book you have to make a lot of project work over there, and this book is all about practice and practicals. Okay, so due to this COVID situation, for the whole year we could not actually arrange the classes for you to do all those practical works and activities, but for annual exam you have to prepare some activities as project work, which you have to prepare. So let us move on to our chapters. As you can see, this whole book has been divided into different strands, like strand 1, games and sports, and there are lots of different games and sports are there, and there are 5 strands of full in the whole book. In the index part, as you can see, in chapter 3, strand 1, games oblique sports, in that part, athletics oblique swimming, there are 7 activities are there over here. Okay, among these 7 activities you have to choose any one. Whichever you choose, you have to make a project on that particular topic. For example, if you are choosing about high jump, then you have to write down about high jump and what are the basic things which you have to note it down in your project copy. I'll explain it a bit later. First, you better know how many projects, how many topics you have to choose for your project work. Okay, so any one from these chapters. Okay, among these chapters you have to choose one as a content for your project. Okay, next, from 3.2, from this part also, team games, you have to choose any one among all those. Clear? Any topic, hockey, kabaddi, football, whatever the topic you will choose, you have to write it down, the basic informations or the important part of that lesson as project. And then from this whole part, okay, you have to choose one. Clear? One from this part. And finally, from strand 3, Shiva, the name of this part is Shiva, any guidelines, forms and assessments, all those things. And from there are lots of topics are there. Choose any one among these topics and you have to make project. Now let me give you an example how you can prepare the project work. In market you will file the project files or project papers whose one side is lined and another side of that page is blank. So you can get it. Otherwise, if you would like, you can take simple pages, okay, and write down the information on it. And finally, when it is over, you just buy a channel file, 5 or 10 rupees hardly it will cost, and then submit it to school. And it will, you have to submit it by the uh, um, end of the next month, means February. Hopefully it would be 20 to 25th, between 20 to 25th February you have to submit your project work. So you have to start as soon as possible so that you can complete it within time. So let me give you an example. For example, if you will choose one topic from here. For example, let me the topic, let us, if you choose, suppose you are choosing high jump from this part. Among this part you will choose high jump. Clear? So how will have to make the project, how will make it, let me explain now. See, high jump, the chapter, you will find high jump in your book in lesson 3rd. So use introduction, it's not necessary that all the lines you will mention in your project. Choose the important informations only. Clear? Only the important informations and key points you have to write it down in introduction part. When introduction part will over, then rules of high jump. As you can see, rules of high jump, there are lots of rules are there, and some of the rules among them are been explained, elaborated in a elaborated way, means in a descriptive way the rules have been written here. You don't need to be that much elaborative. Use the short and small sentences to clarify the rules, to use the rules. Clear? Try to cover up almost all the rules, but don't need to write all those information as per the book. Read the informations and try to make it short. Okay, so after it will over, then you have to choose for heading a history of high jump. Write a little bit about the history of high jump, and the most important part here, whatever the project you will choose, you will find one or more than one diagrams related to that topic. So this diagram part is very much important for project work. Draw the diagram properly, cleanly, with pencil, all the measurements, and playground are been also will have to mention this measure. Okay, next, evolution of high jump. Facts about, if you would like, you can just neglect this part. This is not that much important. You need to know about lots of facts. And then another important part, basic requirements and equipments. I once again I let me remind you that you don't need to cover up all the lines. You don't write it down in that much elaborative way, that much descriptive way. Just make the points shorter and mention, try to mention all the points and write it down in a brief way. Finally, the last thing, you will find some overcome, outcome of the activity, sorry, outcome of the activities means if you will do, if you will attend this sports or games or participate in it, how it will help us in our health, in our mental ability and all other things. That is called outcome of the activities. It's very important for it, for your chapter, and you all should know it very well. So there is some technical issue is there. Anyway, thanks for being patient. Now the last thing, come up. Yes, the last thing, that is skill. What are the skills you can develop? What are the skills you can develop if you will participate or if you will attempt these games? These are the key points. According to the heading of these key points, you have to cover up almost all the information, but not in descriptive way. Be brief while writing and noting down all the informations, and like this way suppose it is completed, leave one page, okay, and then from the next part, suppose this activity among this part you have completed, leave one page blank. After that use another, start writing another project from the next part. Like this way you have to write down for four project works, or one project work of four different topics, and you have to submit it. Clear? So you just start your project work as soon as possible, and by the end of this week, means on Saturday, at least just post one of the project work by Saturday of this week, so that I can guess that you have already started working. Clear? Thank you.